Hey YouTube, this is Max from AETW, and in this video we're gonna learn how to format text in Microsoft Word. Before you start watching the video, please make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any useful tutorials, and then click the like button and comment if you find this video useful. Alright, to start off, over here we have a couple of samples that we're gonna be editing for the video. And first off, we have the fonts that we can apply to the text. For your school or work projects, most of the times you're going to be required to use the Times New Roman font. But that's just the most popular one. There are plenty of other fonts that you can be applying. Next, we have three different text styles, which are bold, italic, and underlined. Each can be applied by first selecting the text and then pressing either B for bold, I for italic, or U for underlined. Each of these styles can be also applied using the following hotkeys: Control B for bold, Control I for italic, and Control U for underlined. Next, you can format the text color. This can be done by selecting the text and then clicking the A icon or selecting a different color that you'd like. If you'd like to change the size of the text, you can select it first and then click this capital A icon to increase this text by the increment of one size. Or you can press the lowercase a icon here, which will decrease the select text by the increment of one size. If you know in advance the text size you would need, you can just click here and select the desired size, or you could just type the number in here. If you'd like to highlight the text, you can select the desired text and then click on this highlighting icon. But in case you would like to use a different highlighting color, you could click to the drop down arrow here and choose the color. Finally, there is this case change format. You can apply it by selecting your text and then clicking the AA icon. There are 5 options here, as you can see: the sentence case, the lowercase, the uppercase, capitalize each word, and finally the toggle case format. Additionally, if you know in advance that you're going to be needing text in one of these styles or formats, for example, we're going to need bold of Times New Roman of the size 24. In that case, you can just select the styles or fonts like I just did and then click where you want to start typing, and the text will be automatically typed in the styles or formats that you just chose. So that'll be it for this video, guys, and for more tutorial content, please subscribe to this channel and let us know in the comments if this video was useful. And see you guys in the next tutorials.